Hey everyone, it's Claire, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my new wet brush, and this is just perfect for all of my ladies who have long hair or who have been struggling with split ends, because this brush is just going to help you so that you don't damage and break your hair every time you want to brush it. Now, the story behind this again is I was shopping with my friend, and basically I wanted to get a new brush. So we were in the brush section at Target, and she was just telling me about how she's tried this wet brush and it's really amazing, and I was used to using a boar bristle brush because it I don't know, that's the one that I knew about. Really hesitant at first because I was thinking, I don't know, the bristles seem so small, like how is it gonna really brush my hair, because I'm used to like really thick bristles, which is actually breaking your hair. So anyway, so then I decided I was going to go for it, and I got the brush and it's so nice. So I just thought that why not go ahead and make a video to share with you how you can get less split ends and have healthier hair. So step one is when you are in the shower and you're using, you put your shampoo in, you've washed it out, and you move on to the conditioner. Putting the conditioner all throughout your hair, the ends all the way up through the hair, and wrapping it up and leaving it for at least a minute, if not 2 minutes, while you wash the rest of your body. So that's going to allow the conditioner to really soak into your hair and give you that moisture and help your hair recover from all the shampoo that has just stripped it from its oils. So that is my step one. Step two is once you're done and you're ready to get out of the shower and everything, before you wash that conditioner out of your hair, I want you to put the tap to lukewarm and start rinsing your hair in the lukewarm water. So you don't want hot water, because that's just it's gonna pull all that moisture out again, it's gonna dry out your hair, and that's not healthy. So in lukewarm water, you're gonna wash out that conditioner, make sure that you get it out, and then you're going to even move the tap even colder into like a light cold water. And then you're going to continue rinsing your hair in cold water, because that's going to seal the follicles with that moisture and with that conditioning that it has just received, so that it's going to lock that in. Next step is when you're toweling your hair off, you're just going to towel it down. So you're going to use that towel and just dry it down in a downward motion. You want to avoid going like that with the towel. Avoid anything that's going to cause friction in your hair and, bunch it all together. So last step is using your wet brush. And obviously this video is not sponsored. I'm just using the wet brush that I purchased at Target, but you want to start low, and you're just going to brush your hair while it's wet and calmly get those tangles out. And that's just going to be really good and healthy for your hair and keep it from damage and split ends and breakage, because you've followed all the steps properly. And then of course you can blow dry your hair if you want to. A lot of people want to dry their hair, and that's fine. That's going to end up drying your hair out a little bit, but it's still managing your hair because you've followed all these steps as well. So thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please do comment and let me know if you follow these practices already, and if you do have long hair, I'd love to know. And while you're here, also go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye!